Hey folks, I'm Nick here with Best Roofing and Siding. Do you ever look at your roof and wonder what the replacement cost would be? With Eco Roof Restoration, we bring back to life your roof at a fraction of the cost. So check it out. Number one, Eco Roof Restoration saves you potentially thousands of dollars. Complete roof replacements are typically very expensive, but our eco-friendly commercial and residential roof restoration services offer many of the benefits at a fraction of the price. Number two, it's more convenient for you and your family. Complete roof replacements aren't just expensive, but they're also time-consuming. Eco Roof Restoration costs a fraction of a replacement, and it only takes a fraction of the time as well. Number three, our eco-friendly cleaning solutions won't harm your pets, plants, or anything else in or around your home. You can rest easy knowing that you're reaping the benefits of a like-new roof while doing a favor to the environment as well. Number four, we'll inspect your roof as you go and make any necessary repairs. Think of our Eco Roof Restore service as a car wash and tune-up, but for your roof. We'll take care of everything for you from start to finish. Number five, we have you covered with multiple warranty options, full insurance coverage, and BBB accreditation. With 2 and 5 year warranty options available, we hold ourselves accountable for our work. Number six, your roof will be restored back to its original color. Blue-green algae thrives in our climate, but our soft wash easily and safely removes this natural eyesore along with sun damage and other imperfections. And there you have it. Imagine coming home to a brand new looking roof. Best Roofing and Siding can make that happen for you. So contact us today to get started with our remarkably simple yet extremely effective Eco Roof Restoration service. And have an amazing day.